Well, I ended up finishing all my deliveries super early. I only did it all in an hour and a half because it didn't have that many packages, so it was really awesome. And, you know, running on my beats and talking on the phone. It's so much easier with these headphones. I really like them. I wish I had gotten these a lot sooner. A lot sooner. Now I'm inside of Walmart with Brian. We are shopping, or he's shopping at least. I'm shopping. But you never know, you're in Walmart. I might find something I want. That's how Walmart gets you. You just come in for one thing, or come in, you know, with a friend, and you end up
coming for like late night shopping. There's nothing else to do other than walk around.
And then you end up buying the store.
You didn't buy it.
Buy it.
I need a piggy bank for Anderson.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're not trying to piggy bank for Anderson.
I
think they're over there by like the jewelry and stuff.
Yeah. There's actually Minion ones and stuff.
Yeah.
Yesterday, me and my grandma saw some shaped like actual fluffy pigs.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
they have a covering over them, like a stuffed animal. My grandma's like, they're gonna get dirty. But she wanted to get my sister piggy bank. I don't know. She's too big for a piggy bank.
She's too big for a piggy bank.
But not really. Everybody needs a piggy bank. I got a piggy bank. I do. I really do.
Do you? Is it a pig?
Yeah, the vacation center piggy bank.
Is it there?
Uh-huh.
It's an actual pig?
Yeah, I'll show it to you. Hey, grab me one. Grab me one so I can have one for my car. This, I don't know if we told you about this show. This deodorant right here. Awesome. Oh, continue shopping now. So my car really needed a car wash. I'm finally gonna bring it! In the car wash. 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 Into the car wash, yeah. Whoa. Car wash, yeah. I don't know all the words. But my car, she needs it. She needs it. She hasn't been washed since I got her. I know. But I'm gonna bring her as often as I can. I'm gonna try to get a membership next time, so I can bring her every day. So YouTube, before I go to the movies, I got invited to hang out at 54th Street with Roma and Christina. What? And Victoria. Say hi.
I'm gonna hit you.
You what?
I'm gonna hit you.
You're gonna hit me?
Yes.
Why? But why?
Fucking badass.
Why do you have the empty bottle in your mouth? So bad. So, I'm gonna chill with them a little bit. I'm some macaroni cheese, some egg rolls. I swear they look like the same one from Chili's, even though we at 54th Street. They're ripping Chili's off. And they got their food. Ooh, stop. Ooh, he's stopping at me. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Is that? That's nasty.
Medium rare.
They just barely just cooked it.
You're medium rare.
Can't do it. One day I'll try it. Maybe I'll try it right now. He give me a little piece. I don't know. But I'm hungry. Well, look who I met up with at the movies.
We're just walking in the middle.
I know, right? Like, we don't care. We own this. We own this. Look at him. He mad.
I should have brought my camera.
So,
Yeah.
I just finished with Roma and Christina eating. Now I'm going to movie with them, and David and your friend Angela are on their way.
Look at it.
They're a little late, but Fast and the Furious, what?
They have me
I had to see it. We got to see it.
the back
I'm just saying.
on the part.
Well, I did want to say the movie was awesome, but I did a couple rides after the movie, and then I also got invited to my friend's ranch party because they're getting married tomorrow. So that's where I'm at right now. Gabriel's back. Gabriel's in the house. So I might record a little bit, but I don't know, you know. We'll see. IMD's in the house. All these top ranks. I don't know if I want to put them on camera. You know, we're gonna have a little too much fun out here. I'm excited. Are you excited? Are you excited? Look at everybody. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Hanging out by the fire.
Jenny, you're still waiting.
You can't be here. Jenny. The wedding girl tomorrow. The bride. The wedding girl. The bride. Bride to be.
What are you gonna?
She ready. She ready. She ready.